Most agencies don't fail because of bad work. They stall because the founder runs out of bandwidth, direction, and clarity. If that sounds familiar, keep watching because this could be exactly what you're looking for. Hello, I'm Gareth Healey. I work with marketing agency founders who want to run stronger, more profitable, and more scalable businesses. Alongside my colleague, Alfie Wenegieme, an experienced consulting CFO to my consulting CEO, we run the Agency Mastery Program, or AMP for short. AMP is designed specifically for established agencies turning over as a minimum £400,000. Businesses that have proven themselves, grown, but now need structure and more strategy to reach their next level. AMP is not another course or another mastermind group. It's a growth journey built around 8 in-person workshops focused on a key part of your business. In the middle of the 8 workshops, we have 8 online sessions to keep you accountable, focused, and making progress. Alfie and I have already run 2 successful AMP cohorts, and for 2026, we're going to take everything we've learned and create a new and extended format. It's going to be a little bit deeper, a bit longer, but certainly more practical than ever before, giving you the structure, space, and support to make lasting change. Alfie brings the financial and operational discipline of a CFO. I bring the commercial and strategic experience of a former agency CEO. Together, we help you build a business that isn't just profitable, but more predictable and more enjoyable to run. The next AMP cohort starts in London in February 2026. We're keeping it small, only 14 places are available. We are exploring a Northern UK cohort next year as well, but that's yet to be confirmed. But we're looking at either Leeds, Manchester or Edinburgh once we have a few indications and numbers. So if your agency is established but stuck and you're ready to get clarity, control and momentum, fill out the form on this page. You've built something great. AMP will help you take it further.